Hi everyone, back here for another video. Nuphy sent over their new low-profile keyboard, and this is the Nuphy Node 75. This video is sponsored by Nuphy. In the box, what we get are the usuals. We have the extra keycaps, and this time they added 3 different colors. That is, if you would like to add a bit of color on this minimalist looking keyboard. Other keycaps are for changing to Windows, as the ones that are on the keyboard are for Mac. The usual keycaps and switch puller is here too. And the charging cable, where they added an adapter to switch between USB-C or USB-A on one end. Nuphy also sent this desk pad, which is not included when you purchase the keyboard. This is sold separately for $23. It has this polka dots, or I think I better call it dot matrix pattern, matching the keyboard's theme or style. Now here's the keyboard. I have here the low profile version, but they also have a high profile version, and according to Nuphy, the difference between the low profile and high profile in terms of height is around 6 millimeters. This low profile comes in at around 663 grams. It's not that heavy, but definitely not light as well. The color I got is what Nuphy calls Lunar White, which basically is beige color. This color, together with the design as well as the typing feel of the Node 75, gives me a retro feel, as it somehow looks and feels like typing on those keyboards from the old computers. This is not all white or beige, as the bottom of the keyboard is black, which is an interesting design choice by Nuphy, because even the pink version of this keyboard has a black base or bottom. Strange combination and not my color choice, so good that I got the Lunar White version. How Nuphy made this unique is with this dot matrix design on the top of the keyboard. On the left side, the dots are used for the light indicators. It will flash when I connect to a device and will indicate which number I am connected to. It will also light up when I turn on caps lock, or even when I type. I can turn it off by doing the keyboard shortcut function plus M and the question mark. And sometimes I prefer to turn it off because the lights can be quite distracting when I'm working. On the right side, there are no lights, but this is where the swipe panel is. And there are these bumps that indicate where the swipe panel starts and ends. I can simply slide left to right and vice versa to adjust the volume. Or if I hold on to the function key and then I swipe on this panel, it will adjust the screen brightness of my device. And last is if I hold on to the function key plus M and then swipe left or right on the panel, it will adjust the brightness of the backlights of the keyboard. This option to adjust the keyboard backlight brightness, I don't see I will use it, as it's easier to do the other keyboard shortcut, which is function plus arrow down or up. Also, even for the screen brightness, I can use F1 or F2 keys instead, which is much easier to use in my opinion. Another thing, the swipe panel does not seem to completely work when I use this on my iPad. Swipe for volume control works, but not for the screen brightness control. Obviously, I switch to Mac mode when I use this keyboard on my iPad, but when I press function key and swipe on the panel, it doesn't do anything. But when I switch to Windows mode on the switch buttons here at the back, even when I'm using the iPad, I can then adjust the screen brightness. I asked Nuphy about this, but I haven't received their reply yet. This swipe panel works okay though when I'm on my Windows laptop and also on my Samsung tablet. So at the back of the keyboard is where we have the power switch and to turn on wired or wireless mode. And also the OS switch is here beside it. Then the USB receiver is tucked here on the other side. And at the bottom of the keyboard are the adjustable kickstands with 2 levels. The Node 75 has a battery capacity of 4,000 milliamperes, and Nuphy claims it can last for 1,000 hours with all the lights off. But with the lights on, it can reach 60 to 100 hours. Nuphy now also developed this keyboard along with their own software, and this software is web-based, so no installation needed. However, this, and same as others, it cannot be used on the iPad. Also, this doesn't work on my Tab S8 as well. I get this error when I try to connect the keyboard. So I had to test this software on a Windows laptop, and it works. And it should work on Mac too, according to Nuphy. Connect the Node 75 to the laptop, first using the USB-C cable. Then go to the website nuphy.io and use the option Nuphy.io 2.0, and it should detect the keyboard immediately. Now let's hear the typing sound of the Node 75. The switches I have here are the Red Nanos, and I regret not asking for the Blush Nano, as I prefer a more quiet typing feel. Now here's a typing sound comparison of the Node 75 and the Kick 75, which also comes with the red switches. The sound of the Node 75 is almost the same as the Kick 75, but it sounds like the Kick 75 has a deeper sound, which makes it sound creamier than the Node 75. If you prefer a minimal looking keyboard with nice hidden features from this swipe panel, and you're looking to easily customize your keyboard, then the Node 75 is a good keyboard for you. With all these features, the Node 75 comes at the price of $99.95 US. I think you're getting a good deal out of this. So I hope this video helps, and that's it. Thanks for watching.